Student, how you all are? Hope all of you are well at home now. So student, all of you take out your GK book, that is page number 27. Okay, you see popular water sports around the world. Let's know about some popular water sports. Panit khela kisuman sportsor bikhoye ami janu aha. You see, rowing. Rowing was first used as a means of transport in ancient times. It is based on propelling a boat on water using oars. As a sport, it probably began in England in the 17th and early 18th century with the Oxford-Cambridge University boat races. Rowing was first used as a means of transport. In ancient times, agote manuhe rowing took means of transport hisabe loisil. It is based on propelling a boat on water using oars. As a sport, it probably began in England. Prothomote Englandot arambho hoisil in the 17th and early 18th centuries with the Oxford-Cambridge University boat races. Okay, that Englandot boat race hisabe arambho hoisil ikon. By the 19th century, rowing was popular in Europe and had been exported to America. 19th century rowing to Europe popular hoisile, okay, and had been exported to America aro America exported kora hol. Rowing is now an important Olympic event too. Rowing to etia eta Olympic game hisabe dhori loa hoise. Okay, next you see kayaking. The word kayak is believed to have originated from the Greenlandic language. The word kayak to korpora originate kora hoise Greenlandic language. Yare pora kayak to word to yare pora originate hoise ha, yare pora arambho hoise Greenlandic language pora. A kayak is a small narrow boat which is propelled by means of a double-bladed paddle. A kayak is a small narrow boat. Kayak ekhon horu ekdom thek boat which is propelled by means of a double-bladed paddle. Okay, so etu ki koa hoy double-bladed paddle. Tete double paddle ase. In the UK, the term canoe is often used when referring to a kayak. Canoe means what here? Canoe means narrow boat. Okay, narrow boat with pointed ends. Ek honmukhor phale junga hoi ase je heikhini pointed buli koy, pointed ends. Hetu canoe buli koy. The traditional kayak has a covered deck and one or more cockpits, each seating one paddler. Kayak to eta traditional boat hoy and has a covered deck. Covered deck means what? Deck means floor of a ship. Okay, amar jenoka roomor floor ase tenoka koi shipor jikhini floor ase তলত আমি ভৰি দিও হেখিনি ডেক বুলি কয়. এণ্ড ওৱান অৰ মোৰ ককপিটছ আৰু পাইলটে বহা কম্পাৰ্টমেণ্টটোক ককপিটছ বুলি কওঁ. ইচ চিটিং ওৱান পেডেলাৰ, তাত এটা পেডেল মাৰা মানুহে বহিব পাৰে. অ'কে, ইচ চিটিং ওৱান পেডেলাৰ. Rafting and whitewater rafting are recreational outdoor activities which use as an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other body of water. Rafting and whitewater rafting are what? That are recreational activities, recreational outdoor activities. Okay, that means recreational means what? People do for fun and enjoyment. This is often done on whitewater or different degrees of rough water. Etu white water আৰু য'ত বেছি rough water থাকে তাত খেলে, and generally represents a new and challenging environment for participants. Rafting is especially popular in rivers that have extreme currents. This is often done on white water or different degrees of rough water. এটো কি কৰে ৰাফটিংটো ক'ত খেলে? য'ত হোৱাইট পানী থাকে আৰু ৰাফ ৱাটাৰ থাকে and generally represents a new and challenging environment for participants. আৰু এইটো কি যেতিয়া খেলে এইটো পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছবোৰে কি কৰে কম্পিটিশ্যন হিচাপে খেলে. And rafting is especially popular in rivers that have extreme currents. And rafting is especially popular ক'ত কেতিয়া পপুলাৰ হয় এইটো? in which river? য'ত ঠাৰ পানী থাকে এক্সট্ৰিম কাৰেণ্টছ য'ত ঠাৰ পানী থাকে তাতে ৰাফটিংটো খেলে হা and this is parasailing. Parasailing is what? Motorboats are used in this game. Parachutes are connected with these motorboats. As the boat gathers speed, this parachute lifts the boatman upwards. Motorboats are used in this game. Motorboats bur je ase hebur ki kore ei parachutes eitu gamot khele hiote. Parachutes are connected with these motorboats. Parachute bur ki kore motorboats burot connect kore. As the boat gather speed, jetia boat bure ekelage gathering hoy tetia the parachute lifts the boatman upwards. Tetia parachute ki kore boatman tuk upor phale eri die. Generally this game is played in the calm water of the seas. Calm means what? The water is not moving very much and there are no big waves jot besi thar nai thou nai waves means what thou this game is played in the calm water ot ei game to khele calm water of the seas. This game has become very popular among tourists. এই গেমটো টুৰিষ্ট বোৰে বেছিভাগ খেলে যেতিয়া হিয়তে টুৰিষ্টত আহে তেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে বেছিভাগ এই গেমটো খেলে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।